love about fall travel? Well, what isn't there to love? With school back in session, you're able to travel without worrying about large crowds, long lines, or whether or not you'll be able to make a dinner reservation that night, if you even need one. Cooler temperatures allow for pleasant days full of outdoor adventures, fresh air, and finally getting to wear that cozy sweater you've been eyeing in your closet. Of course, nothing beats enjoying all of the gorgeous fall foliage during peak leaf peeping season. Even if you aren't a fan of fall and wish that summer could last forever, you can't deny that being able to score great travel deals during this time period isn't enticing. Plus, you can always travel to where there's still sunny beach weather. Speaking of sunny beach weather, Hilton Head Island is the ideal destination for fall travel if you're looking to hang on to summer for as long as you can. Leave the bulky sweaters at home since the island's average highs are 85 degrees in September and 77 degrees in October. Perfect for days at the beach and nights enjoying alfresco dining and even s'mores. November's mild weather is perfect for bike riding, kayaking, and exploring the island and the surrounding lowcountry. Festivals and special events dot the calendar, making it easier than ever to enjoy fresh local seafood, entertainment, and more. Check out the event calendar on the Hilton Head Get Services website to see what festivals and other events you can attend while you're in town. Planning your fall getaway to Hilton Head Island starts on your Palmera Vacation Club membership dashboard. Here you'll find the 6 ways to travel, tools that make planning vacations easier. To use your member points for a 3, 4, or 7-night stay, check to see what's available at one of the 4 Gold Crown Palmera resorts. It's easy to make a reservation online through this tool. Another way to book a stay on the island is by searching for what VIP weeks are available. VIP weeks are extra discounted stays that give members a chance to have additional time on the island. These member-exclusive weeks are cash-only options that offer big savings you won't want to miss. The 6 ways to travel aren't all limited to Hilton Head Island. In fact, there are 2 ways you can start making travel plans to destinations around the world today. Depending on whether you're wanting to use your points or would like to pay cash to book your stay, the RCI Exchange and Quest Travel Club are both included with your Palmera Vacation Club membership and are great tools for planning your next vacation. For the point option, the RCI Exchange has a great feature that allows you to search for vacation weeks that are only 1,000 points or less. You'll find accommodations in beautiful places year-round, but some destinations like Branson, Missouri or Williamsburg, Virginia would be perfect for a fall getaway. If you need more information on either of these destinations, make sure to read up on our destination highlights located on the Palmera Go page. This growing list of vacation destinations is meant to help you gain an overview of the location, giving you a better idea of when to go and what there is to do during your stay. You never know what you might discover. One of the most popular ways to travel in fall is by taking a road trip. A great way to fully experience the beauty of autumn colors, there's nothing better than packing up the car and hitting the road. Head south and travel through the Blue Ridge Mountains for impressive vistas, hikes past waterfalls, and various cideries to stop at. History buffs will enjoy a route through New England with stops in Portland, Maine, Burlington, Vermont, and Boston, Massachusetts. In fact, early fall is a beautiful time to make a trip up the Pacific Coast Highway, the scenic route that shows off California's beautiful coastline. Planning a road trip may seem daunting, but Quest Travel Club makes it easy to find accommodations along your route, and that's just the beginning. Quest finds the best deals on rental cars, recreational activities, and even flights. A great tool to have when planning any vacation, it's always a great idea to check on what's available through Quest Travel Club.